What type of issues are you having? Not only physically but mentally right now. Do you have issues?
No, a few seconds ago we had something called a moment of silence, and this right here is what I'm speaking to one of the world's greatest renowned philosopher, Mr. Watts himself.
No, not Mr. Watts. I get confused with Alan Watts. My name is Alan Volts. A watt and a volt is very different. Much like a frog has 4 legs. But then you're doing something. What are you doing? Now I don't hear you. I have no sound. I can't hear your microphone. What did you do? As he tries to...
whatsoever.
There you go. What type of